That's the term of stealing.
What else have you stolen besides that? Oh, okay.
Anyway. Whatever, I don't remember.
It was like an elderly woman. It was like an elderly woman.
No, I'm talking about the brown. Yeah, I told her I stole it. And she stole it back. Baby? Yeah. Yeah.
People in that car. Oh my god. She's creeping. She's got balls. That takes a lot. No. Get out. Get out.
My favorite part about her being my sister. Pinata. Oh, the kid was leaving.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
Humans coming. Not that humans coming. Yeah, you're throwing this on Facebook, right?
Yep, I'm gonna put it on YouTube, and then I have to post the link on Facebook because you can't put videos on Facebook from phones.
Oh yeah, you really can. Actually, send the video to me. I can upload it from my phone. I can upload it from my phone onto iPhoto to Facebook.
Well.
Ooh, let's see this.
He's such a creeper.
Oh my god, I love her so much.
There's no one over there. What is she doing? The guy in the drive-thru?
Kayla. Dang. Do something seductive with this.
No, do it. Please, next car. Please do it, please.
Ooh. Just rub it in. No. Do it.
Dude, put it.
Give people the boner.
Put it here.
Okay, girls, let's go.
Did you really?
God. Like, look at his hands. You're like, oh. He's in this way. What were you doing? Before we start? No, what were you doing? I didn't start yet. Take your things.
No, sir, I didn't even start yet. Come here. Sit down.